everyone, this is the video demonstration of our major group project. We are 4 members in our group, including myself. My name is Asmita and rest of the members of my group are Animesh, Amir and Ram. So we have built a remote health monitoring device which could be accessed by doctor or patient or family member of the patient via cloud, and also including a smartwatch which will display date, time, and weather forecast. So I'd like to start with introducing the devices. We have used HC05 Bluetooth module and D1 Mini Pro Wi-Fi module, and we are using Arduino Micro Pro main device which are all connected to breadboard, and as a display we are using I2C display, and we are using max 31,000 heart rate plus stress plus body temperature monitor. So especially the target audience of our project are elderly people or disabled people who need to visit doctor frequently but can't do that on their own. So with our device, the device will send the real-time health parameter of a patient to the cloud, and the cloud can be accessed by authorized health professional or the patient themselves or any of the family member or friends who are authorized by the patient. So now I'd like to hand over my friend Animesh for the further explanation of this process. Thank you.
Thank you, Asmita. Now, at the moment it doesn't look like a portable device, but we're just using this Arduino for power supply, and in real life use we just need these 4 devices. These devices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total, and just solder it together. The soldering should be done by professional because last time we tried, the Arduino chip got broken, so we left it this way. And now I will just demonstrate how it works. Alright, now the device is turning on. As you can see, it is updating weather. Now it is updating the forecast. So while it is loading, I just want to say that the device is connected to 2 different clouds, and the one goes to the doctor. The first one is used by doctor and patient or anyone else who is authorized, and the second one is the weather cloud through which the device shows the weather. Finally it is done, and our device is ready to be used. The first page shows the current weather, the second one shows the future forecast, and the third one is showing date, time and temperature. Now to further explain about this device, I would like to call Ram.
Thank you, Animesh, for that. So how this device works is, so for the weather, we have a cloud called, which I'll be showing you in a brief moment. So there is a cloud service called Weather API, through which we get all the cloud, we get the weather information. So this is the cloud service that we are using for weather information. So yeah, this is the cloud service that we are using. It's called weatherapi.org. So from here we get the weather, we get the time, we get the temperature, we get the day of the time, we get the day, we get the temperature, we get the forecast as well. So this is a nice cloud, and it's free as well for a trial period. So we are using this one, and the other one is a Google Cloud, which through which the doctors will get the health monitoring data through cloud, which is secure as well. So making this project special, what makes this project special is, instead of just making a basic smartwatch, we have included health features like stress level, heart rate monitoring, and body temperature, which I'll be demonstrating soon. So how this thing works is, so the data is secured by two-factor authentication. What that means is, so the first factor is what I have, that is my biometric. To unlock my phone, I need my biometric. So, and to access the data, I need to know my password, something that I know. To open the secure folder where my apps are, which will display the data through cloud. So if I enter my password, I get access to the application which will show the data. If I put my thumb in the sensor and really quickly go to the app and initiate the measurement, it will start measuring my heart rate. We do have to sacrifice on a bit of data inaccuracy, so it should be around 80 something. So this is how you measure, so it has to go a full circle. So but yeah, it's basically like this. And history, like I have a bunch of heart rates that have been measured. So if supposedly, like for an example, I'm a heart patient and I will have this app on my phone, my doctor will have an app on his phone, and our data will be shared to the cloud. So if anything, like if I have a higher heart rate, I will know that, my doctor will know it in real time as well. So this is the heart rate / stress level monitor. And we have a temperature monitor. So I'm still keeping my finger. So my temperature is around 25, okay, 25, 26, which is around right here. So again, secure folder, it needs my passcode. So every time I log in, every time I want to see my data, every time my doctor wants to see my data, he has to have his biometric and a pin. So the data is secure, it goes through cloud, and it is in real time. So this is our basic major project. So, and for programming, we have used basic JavaScript and Arduino. So ideally Arduino to program our Arduino, and some of the JavaScript to help to modify the program that suits our need. So how this device works is, so as you've already seen the device, this is in screen. So anything that is displayed on this thing is, this display is, so from the cloud goes to my phone, then from my phone it is transmitted to the screen itself. So to make a practical use of this device, so we should solder the screen, the heart rate sensor, the Arduino, the Bluetooth module, and the Wi-Fi module. And if we solder it together with a battery and put it in a 3D case, we can wear it. So that is our that is our target. But for a demonstration purpose, this should be fine. And this Atmega 2560 is just for backup, so it won't be in the real case scenario. So this sums up our project. So what we learned in this project is, we have a smartwatch which has health features, it has cloud services, it has weather forecast, and it all goes through secure communication, and it has two-factor authentication for whoever wants to view our data. I hope you guys liked our project. Thank you.